Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link your WhatsApp to Wix websites in 2024. Of course, adding a WhatsApp link to your site is a great way to enable direct communication with visitors or customers. And also, it will boost your customer engagement. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open this, basically go to the CRL section, type wix.com, and you'll be taken to their website right away. It's your first time by any chance, you'll be taken to this page as said. So you can click on login at the top right corner if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, you can click on get started. You can use an example Google, Facebook to create, and even Apple to log in into your account. So you can use, if you have one of those, it will be even better so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of doing it. So once you logged in or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in the dashboard where you can find all your sites, as you can see. So all your sites will be found here. So I'll show you how to add, of course, if you don't have like a website, first of all, you can go and create a new one. Just go to the top right corner, click on create. Don't get like confused by too many options. You have like two things. You either have to use Wix Editor, your own templates, or Wix Studio. Basically, here this is blank, this is templates, and this is Marketplace, where you can get like this for Studio, this is for Wix Editor, and this Wix Studio, this Wix Editor. Or sorry, this is Wix Studio, this Wix Editor, and this is to use your own templates. It's very simple. You can even like create your a website using AI, fully functional websites using AI. You basically have to chat with it and tell them what you want, and he will create a website for you. And yeah, you can create it for free. Like this website is created by AI and the Wix editor. You cannot use this in the Wix Studio. For example, I'll show you how to edit in both Wix editor and Wix Studio because it has different interface. So in case like you might not find the same interface and gets confused, I'll show you how to add your WhatsApp in both Wix Editor and Wix Studio. So let's just go and start by Wix Editor because it's the one that's going to load faster. Normally Wix Studio will take 10 seconds more or something like that. So here, as you can see, I am on my like websites. So I'll just go first of all, as you can see, if I scroll down to the bottom, I would love like always, I would love to add my social media and the footer page or the footer section. Why? Because if you add it to the footer, it will be added to all pages. So if anyone browses through my pages, if he goes to the footer option, he will find my social media. So it's always good to do that. So example I have here already Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, already linked. I want to add WhatsApp to that. So of course you can click on it and basically to manage it, to add icons. But for you as example, maybe you don't know even how to add that. So simply go to this list panel, click on this add element, and here you'll need to look for social. Here's it. Just go and click on it. As you can see, you can choose whatever social bio you want to add. Just go and drag it out. For me, as an example, I already drag it in here. So as you can see, there are even some social like buttons or ones that has WhatsApp already on it. So just go and click on manage button. For us, we will show you how to add just WhatsApp. So I'll just go and click on share or manage, and I'll just go and delete everything. So hide that, as example, hide that. I'll let's like WhatsApp, hide that. So hide that. Oh, sorry, and hide that, and also hide that. So let's just WhatsApp as example. I'll put it right here. Of course, it will be dragged into something else. Of course, if you want to, as example, I'll just show you like here. Normally, if you added the first elements, just this, maybe you wanted all of this, you can simply just show you, go and click on it, of course, click on set social links, and click on add icon to add WhatsApp as example. So click on add what icons, look for WhatsApp, hit the enter button, choose whatever icon you want to put for it. As example, this one, double click on it, and as you can see, it will be added. You can put it however you want or wherever you want. Then go and add the link to your WhatsApp. Of course, where you'll get this link from, basically, you can just get that link from your, as example, WhatsApp. So normally the link format will be as follow. So if you don't want to even try to get the link, I don't think it will be different. So if you go here and type HTTPS two dots two slashes, it's gonna be wa.me slash, and here basically it's gonna be your number. So I'll pause the video and try it with my number, and I'll tell you if it's work or not. So yeah, it definitely working. As an example, I'll just put a number here. So remember that number that I'll put. As example, I'll put something like that, and then click on done. As you can see, it's added now. Click on done. Click on preview to see if the changes is good. So we're on the preview now. Click on WhatsApp, and yeah, so chats with, as you can see, the same number that I entered. Click on continue to chat. Of course, they'll tell you to download or use WhatsApp web. It's actually up to you. If you're using WhatsApp web, just connect to your phone, as example, your WhatsApp, and you'll be able to contact that exact number in there. This is for Wix like editor. For Wix Studio, it's going to be basically the same. So you'll have to go again. I would prefer to add it on the footer. Of course, you'll have to go again, click on this plus button, go and look for social as an example. So a quick add. Yeah, here's social bar. Go and add it basically. So for me, it's already added. Basically, I'll just show you how to add it first of all. Then just go once it's added, click on set social links and do the same. Go here, look for WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, hit the enter button. Look for black one because I have everything black in here. Make sure to add the link again. HTTPS two dots two slashes wa.me slash your number, which is going to be this one in my case. So 73, 55, and 04. Of course, always new window. Click on OK. And of course, you can always replace the icon wherever you want. You can delete other things if you didn't want it. As an example, maybe in previous socials you don't want, like example, YouTube. Just delete it. Facebook, just delete it. It's totally up to you. You can even like replace it, like maybe the second one, maybe the first one. Do whatever suits you. Click on done. Click on done. Sorry. As you can see, you find it right there. Click on preview. Click on WhatsApp, and it should be right there. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching. Of course, once you save the changes, publish it, and you should be good to go. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.